How to put a bed skirt on a memory foam bed. It may have been easy to flip your old spring mattress up and over onto your perfectly placed bed skirt without breaking a sweat, but swapping out a bed skirt on a memory foam mattress can be a heavy load to handle. This guide will help you get your bed skirt where it should be without the risk of tearing it as you try to pull the mattress into position. Steps. 1. Remove your bedding. This includes comforter, pillows, and top sheet. You may be able to get away with leaving the fitted sheet and mattress pad in place, depending on how secure they are. Example, if they are shrunk and barely hanging on, it is best to remove them. 2. Clear a space around the bed. You will need an especially large space at the foot of your bed for the mattress. If you only have room on the side of your bed, you will have to adjust each step accordingly. 3. Slide the mattress straight toward the foot of the bed until it is halfway off the bed. Make sure that you keep your mattress in line with your box spring and bed frame. 4. Fold the mattress in half. Half of the mattress should be on the floor and half rising vertically toward the ceiling so that it resembles a super tall couch at the foot of your bed. Make sure the top part of the mattress is folded over the bottom portion so the curve is resting on the base of your bed. 5. Line your bed skirt up with the top portion of your mattress. You may want 1 to 2 inches extra bed skirt material passing past, or below, the mattress edge for assurance of a perfect outcome. 6. Tuck the rest of the bed skirt in between the bed and mattress. You want the remainder to sit at the foot of the bed. This allows the remaining skirt to feed through when you push the mattress back up the bed. To save your upper body, use your feet to roll the mattress slightly away from the bed by pushing the top half of the mattress further down towards the part on the floor. You will be able to make enough room so that you can work each section of the skirt between the mattress and the bed frame as you work your way across the mattress. 7. Verify the alignment of the bed skirt and the mattress in relation to the bed frame and box spring, as above. 8. Lay the bed skirt on the bed foundation. 9. Place the top portion of the mattress back onto the bed. 10. Work one end further up onto the bed, then the other. The weight of the mattress will bring the bed skirt with it, so there should be no need to handle the skirt. 11. Keep an eye on the skirt as you work the mattress into position. You should be able to tell how it is going to look before you finish getting the foam mattress completely into the final position. Check to ensure the bed skirt is not crumpling and is sliding smoothly with the mattress as it advances toward the head of the bed. If you need to return to an earlier step to make adjustments, do so now. 12. Once complete, recheck your work and straighten the mattress and skirt. Ensure that the mattress is sitting perfectly in line with the foundation and that your bed skirt is straight. 13. Begin to make your bed. You can't enjoy the fruits of your labor until you can perch on it. Tips. Be sure to take breaks as needed if you are tired. Lift with your legs, not your back. Even though much of the work will be pushing and pulling, you do have to lift the edges of the bed for a short period of time. Warnings. Do not pull on the bed skirt during any point. This might cause a tear.